I have something incredible to reveal. This will change everything. One of my fans commented that they are desperate for a free way to access Grok. I spent hours searching YouTube, but every video I found was a total dead end. Until now, I finally discovered a platform that bridges Grok for free. The platform is called RoboNeo.com. It is a total game changer for creators. Before I show you the secret, do me a favor and subscribe to AlphaTekx. Now, watch my screen closely as we unlock Grok right now. First, open your Chrome browser and search for RoboNeo.com. Once you are there, sign up to the page to get started. Click on New Project, then select Workspace. It will generate a new workspace for you. Just delete any old projects you see there. You want a clean slate. Now look on the right-hand side. You will see a list of different AI models. Click on the video model category. Drag the image to video node out into your workspace. Then, drag a text component out as well and connect it to the video node. Now we set the brain. Select the model and click on Grok. Next, click on Image and upload the photo you want to animate from your files. Go to that text box and type exactly how you want the video to move. When you are ready, click that pencil icon to generate. That is it. You are now using Grok for free. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe.